happy Thursday. Welcome back. Today is NHS clap day. So we're going to recap the dance for tonight. Let's do this. Alright guys, so just to recap. So we do one hand, other hand, two hands down, and then we're going to lift up, down. Yeah? So it goes, don't stop me now. Boom. From here we're going to do 3 claps. 1, 2, 3, and then we turn around. Turn around. Then we do that again. Don't stop me now. Down. Wave our hands side to side. Wave. Other side. And then we're going to give me a call. Give me a call. Awesome. Good work. Let's keep going. We do this again. Don't stop me. And then we're going to shimmy this way. Shimmy. Shimmy. Again. Don't stop me. Shimmy. Shimmy. Then we're going to run it. Having our hands coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to shimmy our hands all the way down. Shimmy. Good work. Awesome job, guys. Let's do that all with the music. All right, everyone ready? Woo! 6 seconds in. Clap. Turn around. Wait. Just give me a call. Shimmy. Hands up. Shimmy them down. Good work, guys. Let's do this for us. All right, everybody. Last time. 6 seconds in. Clap. Turn around. Woo. Wait. Call. Hands up. All around. Good work, you guys. Awesome job, team. Super easy, super fun. Only 2 repeats. Easy peasy on this video. Alright guys, well I will see you tonight. Remember, send me all your videos, all your pictures. I'm gonna dress up again because I just love to dress up. Because like, who doesn't love to dress up? But anyways, I'll see you guys tonight. Air high five for being amazing. Woo! Bye bye everyone.